Lifestyle Glee with Dree, your one stop for lifestyle living. Hello, bestie. Listen, I have the perfect recipe for your next gathering. It's so delicious, and I'm going to tell you what you need. Go ahead and listen up. And I think you're going to love it because I love it. That's why I'm sharing it with you. So this is a crab salad with paprika, scallion, and mayonnaise. Yay. So this is what you're going to need. So it says you need 30 minutes plus overnight marinating. So I'm just wondering, like, I don't know if I would do the marinating, but okay, we'll see, because you know I might just have to skip that part. But anyways, this is what you need, you all. You need 1 cup of finely chopped Vidalia or other sweet onions. Ooh, that sounds so sweet. 1 pound of jumbo lump crab meat. Oh, don't you just love crab meat? But by the way, if you're going to serve this at your gathering, make sure that you label this dish so that way people who are allergic to seafood will not have an allergic reaction at your party, and the next thing you know, everybody's at the hospital and you might just be getting sued, honey. So make sure you label this delicious dish. You're also going to need kosher salt and pepper. Kosher salt. I mean, if you have regular salt, I mean, I'm just saying, just go ahead and use regular salt. But it calls for kosher salt. If you can get kosher salt, get kosher salt. 1/2 cup of peanut oil. Now, that's very interesting. Peanut oil. It gives some type of flavor. Peanut. Okay, I'm not correlating the peanut with the crab meat, but let's go with what it says. And we also need 1/2 cup of ice water. Ice water. I am trying to figure out, why would we need ice water? Is this to make it like extra cold? You know, I wouldn't. So this is a crab salad, like potato salad, like tuna salad, crab salad. So maybe the ice water makes it extra cold. I don't know. But don't worry, because I'm going to drop information about this recipe in this video description. So make sure you go and check it out. Now, we're also going to need 1/3 cup plus 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. As if 1/3 cup wasn't enough, honey. You have to also go ahead and add another tablespoon to that, okay? Because it's extra for this one. Now, we also need 1/4 teaspoon of sweet paprika. I love sweet paprika. I have some in my cabinet right now. Too bad I don't have these other ingredients right now, because I would leave this video and go make this, honey. But anyway, let's keep going. We also need 1/4 oh, I already said that, sweet paprika, because I just love to say sweet paprika. All right, we need 2 tablespoons of thinly sliced scallions. You have to say it just like that, really dramatic, okay? And when you're slicing it, you have to be dramatic. Thinly sliced scallions. Okay, 1/4 cup of coarsely chopped flat leaf parsley. I'm reading from this book, by the way. That's why I'm looking down. So it has to be coarsely chopped. Now, what does that mean? It can't be finely chopped? That means, okay, I need to be able to see chunks of parsley up in this salad. That's what that means, okay? So we also need 1/2 small red onion, thinly sliced for garnish. Oh my God, I love red onion, by the way. I prefer red onion over yellow onion. I love red onion, and I love the idea of adding this as a garnish. It's gonna be so beautiful as a presentation for your guests. And we also need, get ready for this. This is the delicious part. We need buttered toast points. I like that, buttered toast. Not just buttered toast, y'all. We need buttered toast points or saltines for serving. I'm not using saltines. I'm filling the buttered toast points, okay? So this is what we need. Listen, this will make 8 servings, okay? So yes. And by the way, this book is all about food pairing with wine. So I'm going to just go ahead and go over the wine tip. And I'm going to drop the instructions on how to make this dish in the video description. I know I've already said this, but I'm reminding you, bestie. So when this is over, you make sure that you go and check this out, save it, okay, in your playlist, and go and make this dish. But anyways, here is a wine tip. This is what will go good with this dish. Are you ready? Yes, who doesn't love a little bit of wine? Crab, like most other shellfish, tastes better with white wines that haven't been aged in oak. I want you to soak that in for a minute. Pun intended. Okay, it hasn't been aged in oak. So Pinot Grigio is a great example. Okay, so that's your wine pairing. Tell me what you think. Do you think this is a great idea? I could absolutely think about serving this in the summertime. I think it would be great, but I'm also feeling like I can also make this in the wintertime and then maybe add some soup on the side. I don't know. Let me know what you think. I hope you found this very interesting. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure that you turn on notifications because, honey, bestie, I am back with you again in a few days. Bye.